What's going on, guys? I'm going to show you how to change your newer Ram cabin air filter. First step is going to be open the glove box, and the second step we're going to remove the string that goes to the glove box damper. I have mine removed right now, but I'm going to grab it and show you guys what it looks like. This is the piece that goes in the glove box to dampen the opening and closing. To remove it, you're going to want to just push it into the bigger opening slot, and you should be able to remove it from the outside by pulling it out. This is it getting removed. And you just let it go into the spot. To remove the glove box, you're going to want to push on both sides or one side. It takes some leverage to pull the glove box away from the side and out. There's just hinges on the bottom. These are the things that keep the glove box in that you push on. And then there's two plastic tabs on both sides of the cabin air filter you're going to push in to remove the cover. The cover comes off. Here's your cabin air filter. And it just goes right back up, and just push equally on both sides once it's secured on there. Just push on both sides and you should hear it latch in. To get the glove box in, we are going to set it back on its hinges and apply a little bit of pressure downwards to keep it in the hinges. These are the hinges that it sits on. And just push both sides of the glove box back in. Our last step is going to be attaching the damper again.